Yeah.
Hey, thanks for coming out. Leaky Saga 2016.
Yeah!
Nice. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Kick ass.
Yep.
Hey guys. I had some files on here that I was gonna play, but when I got here, they just weren't there. So what I'm gonna do here is gonna be a little off the map. But I just figured, I got some space time. I might as well spend it up here spreading a good message. I'd like to start out with a quote from Muhammad Ali, recently deceased, a great personal hero of mine. He said, "Bluebirds fly with bluebirds." Hold on, let me put in the voice that he really. This is what Muhammad Ali sounds like. I'm a fucking nerd.
He sounds like nothing.
Now he does. But you gotta make shortcuts.
So this is what Muhammad Ali sounds like. I'm not being fucking racist, okay? He said bluebirds fly with bluebirds. Redbirds want to be with redbirds. They don't have intelligence, and yet they stay together. We have more intelligence than them, right?
I'll let you think about what that means. I got a message for you guys. I know a lot of you want to escape. You've been living the daily drudgery of life. You work a job that you hate. You're tapping away on that keyboard. You're slapping burritos together or something. We know that music doesn't pay. Well, I know you get people. You get like designer doing songs like Panda. He works at a fucking cell phone store, and Kanye West discovers him, and it's like, and he comes up, and sudden fame, discovery, but it's not gonna happen to you. I'm sorry. It's just not gonna happen. What else do I got here? Yeah, I got a lot of notes. I don't come unprepared.
Maybe I'll just make this easier. I think another really important message.
We need to make no, N-O, the same in every language to stop rape forever. Think about that. Okay, you guys didn't think that was funny. Where'd you kill all these people just yet? What else do I got on here? Oh, I got some beats. You guys want to hear some beats? Yeah. Well, the first thing you need to know about me is that Chattanooga hadn't really been put on the hip-hop map yet. I'm going to be the guy to do that.
Yes.
We have one